Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Chapter 1. The Origin of the Bhairavas. To understand Chanda Bhairava, we must first journey into the legend of how the Bhairavas came into being. In the Shiva Purana, the constellation of Bhairava forms is linked with the cosmic act of cutting away arrogance and restoring Dharma. Once, the creator god Brahma became intoxicated by pride. I too have 5 heads. I too create worlds. Thus, I am equal to Shiva, he thought. Shiva, to teach him the truth, manifested Bhairava from the region of his brow and directed him to sever one of Brahma's 5 heads. The result, the skull of Brahma, Brahmakapala, came to rest in Bhairava's hand, symbolizing the consequence of ego and the carrying of sin until expiation. In this great act, 8 distinct manifestations of Bhairava emerged, each appointed to guard a direction, each charged with a unique power. These are the Ashtabhairavas. Thus, our story of Chanda Bhairava begins in this cosmic framework. He is the third among these 8. Who is Chanda Bhairava? The name Chanda may suggest fierceness, Chanda meaning fierce or violent. But his role is more nuanced than mere ferocity. According to sources, Chanda Bhairava is depicted with blue complexion, a calm, potent power rather than wild rage. He is often shown with 4 hands, wielding weapons such as a flame of fire, a spear, a mace, a bow and arrow. He is the guardian of the south direction, within the scheme of the 8 Bhairavas. His vehicle is often a peacock, and his consort is said to be the goddess Kaumari. His worship is believed to grant power, victory over rivals, and filled with unwavering energy and enthusiasm. In simpler terms, Chanda Bhairava embodies the dynamic energy that drives us to overcome obstacles, conquer ignorance, and claim spiritual as well as worldly victory. Picture this: a cosmic throne room where gods and sages gather. Brahma, self assured, claims the highest seat. Vishnu even bows, but Shiva remains unbowed. From the depths of his being, he manifests Bhairava, and so the universe quivers. Into this drama steps Chanda Bhairava, rising as the third ripple of that ferocity. He takes his place among the guardians, fierce but purposeful. In the south of the 8 directions, Chanda watches over the world. He holds his 4 arms. In one, the spear flashing like dawn lightning. In another, the mace of conviction. In the third, the arrow of clarity. And in the flame-handed 4th, the fire which burns distractions away. In one timeless moment, a devotee comes before him, an ordinary man, weighed down by envy, stuck in competition with his neighbor, haunted by the shadow of failure. In that man's heart is quiet panic. Will I ever stand out? Will I ever succeed? Chanda Bhairava appears. His aura is blue, cool yet intense. The peacock behind him flares its tail like a banner of victory. The devotee falls at his feet, trembling. Chanda offers no wrath, only fierce compassion. He says, "Rise. I am the power to overcome. Let my flame in your heart burn the bonds of doubt. The devotee bows, and devotion springs. Over days, he works with renewed confidence. Obstacles fall away. The rival's words lose sting, and triumph arises, not simply over the rival, but over his own inner inertia. Thus, Chanda Bhairava does not merely protect, he transforms. He changes the battlefield from out there to within. Chapter 2: Symbolism and Deeper Meaning. What then is the deeper significance of Chanda Bhairava in the Puranic and Tantric sense? Direction and guardianship. As the third of the eight, he guards the south. In traditional Hindu cosmology, each direction has energy, each guardian has tasks. Chanda's domain is action, transformation, outgoing force. Weapons and posture, the spear, the mace, the bow and arrow, the flame. Each symbolizes either force, control, precision, illumination. The four arms mean power in multiple dimensions: mental, emotional, physical, spiritual. Blue complexion suggests transcendence of ordinary human limitations, the serene power behind the action. Peacock vehicle. The peacock is often the symbol of pride, beauty, even the arts. By riding a peacock, Chanda shows he dominates pride, yet uses its potential, transforming vanity into lodestar. Victory and confidence. Worship of Chanda Bhairava is said to bring boundless energy, triumph over competition and enemies. When we worship him, the myth says we invoke that inner warrior in ourselves. The Bhairava lineage. Because he is part of the Ashta Bhairavas, Chanda Bhairava also connects to the larger story of Shiva's responsibility for cosmic order. The cutting of heads, the expiation, the guarding of Shakti Pitas, the oversight of time, Kala. In the temple towns, for example in Varanasi, there is a temple for Chanda Bhairava. Devotees still turn to him. Chapter 3: Relevance of the story in today's world. Let me take you deeper. Imagine a young woman named Anika living in a city, battling self-doubt. She sees her peers excel. She sees her own dreams flicker. At night, she prays. One evening, she visits the temple of Chanda Bhairava. The image of the dark blue deity with peacock feathers, the four arms, the flame in one hand, touches her in a new way. She whispers, "Chanda Bhairava, third of the mighty eight, grant me the courage to act, to not just compete, but to transform." She lights the lamp, recites a mantra, bows. Over the next weeks, she finds her voice. She takes risks, she enters a competition. The competition is fierce, there are setbacks, but she recalls the image of the flame, of the arrow. She steadies herself, she acts, she wins. Not just the prize, but mastery over her own fear. Why he matters, the big picture. Chanda Bhairava reminds us that sometimes the fiercest form of the divine is not savage randomness, but dynamic, disciplined action. He reminds us that the guardianship of the directions is not external geography only, but inner landscapes. South might mean the domain of the self that must act, that moves toward light. He fits into the cycle of Shiva as destroyer of ignorance, as Kshatriya of time, Kala, as one who carries away what is no longer needed. Importantly, worship of Chanda Bhairava can be seen as a path, from fear to confidence, from inertia to movement, from darkness to activation.
Alice looked up at the glowing blue deity and felt a spark of courage in her heart. She smiled, took a deep breath, and whispered, "I can do this." From that day on, whenever she felt afraid, she remembered the peacock-feathered Bhairava and the little flame inside her, and she always found the courage to follow her dreams. Good night, and Bhairav bless you all.